We'll guide you through how to fix lag and lag spikes in Lunar Client. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can go and ruin your experience a bit, so we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss the method that goes and helps solve the problem for you. So without any further ado, let's go and get straight into this. So what you first of all want to do is just come onto the Lunar client itself, don't be in the game, and you want to go and press settings in the bottom left. This will open up. So what you can do is first of all come to allocated memory. So by default, I've only got 3 gigabytes allocated here, but I've got 32 gigabytes of total RAM. So what I like to do is I tend to give about a quarter, so you can go and increase this. To be honest, I would give it a max at half, but beyond about 6 or 7, it probably won't make much of a difference. So you can go and increase that there. Don't increase it too much as you can allocate too much. After you've done that, you can come down to storage on the left and you want to go and scroll down, and it's worth going and clearing the cache just to go and refresh things. So you can press clear cache at the bottom, confirm the decision, and we can close out of this. Now, what you can also do is you can press search of your computer and you want to go and type in task manager. And you want to go and check CPU and memory usage. Now I've got some free here, but it's worth going through and just seeing if any apps are taking a lot up. And if they are, you can go and select them and go and close them. For example, sometimes a web browser can go and take up a lot of your resources, and just close apps you aren't using to go and free up those resources to go and use in Lunar. Next, let's go and get into a game. So you can come into the version you want. I'll go and select this one here and let's go and launch it. What you want to do is go and select versions to the left, and you can go and choose the version you want to do it with. I'm going to do it with Lunar 26. Come to the bottom right and choose the version. Now what you should do is make sure you go and run it with Lunar and Fabric, because Fabric will go and add in some Fabric mods like Sodium and Iris, and Sodium will help optimize the game. So it's definitely worth running it with them. So what we can do is now go and wait for this to go and launch. Big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're looking to go and play Minecraft with your friends, Apex Hosting is the place to go and use. There you can go and get yourself a server. They'll give you an IP address and a subdomain, and you can simply go and add these as a server in Minecraft and you can go and get playing. And also they've got some great features like unlimited slots, automated backups, and 24/7 server support, so you can get help anytime you need it. Here we are. Now what we can do is we can go and get into a world. You can then go and pause at pressing escape and go and press options and video settings. So what you can now do is we can start going through these settings and hover over them, and you can see the performance impact. So you can then go through the list and you can go and adjust these to go and save performance and make resources less used and stop lag. So what you can then do is you can go and decrease this for render distance, lower that. You can also go and decrease chunks and simulation distance as well. And you can go and see these are all high impact, and you can go through the list and just hover over them. Come to quality and you can start doing this as well. Some things you may not want to change, like I like the graphics to be fancy, otherwise it does look kind of bad. And I'm only going to change things which are going to go and have a high impact. So enter distance, I can go and decrease a little bit. And we can keep going and do that, and you can hover over what's high. So for example, I'll go and keep that on. We can go and unselect animate only visible textures, and we'll go through the rest, and we'll come to advanced and check them as well. And then it's probably worth turning off shaders as well if you're experiencing a lot of lag, as they do take up a lot of resources. So then we can go and press done, and hopefully now you should have gone and fixed the lag and it's a lot more smooth. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.